My name is Rob Ranston. I'm the president of Windshield Devices, and we focus on devices that protect people in the medical, industrial, law enforcement, and military markets. And we're working out of North Forge for rapid development of a number of the new products in the queue. We develop a range of devices and tools that help people stay safe. Generally, it's the first responders, the first people on a scene, whether it's a doctor or a nurse or a safety person, which you were just working on here. The business started following a conference call that I was on. I was working, helping a group of surgeons manage their business affairs, and I was on a conference call with them. And this is when COVID had first hit. People weren't aware of just how dangerous it was. Everybody was afraid. Everybody was scrambling to get personal protective equipment, and it was in short supply. I remember vividly on that conference call, one of the doctors stating that they may defer some of the visits with some of the patients until they had the proper protective equipment. And that might be 6 months. And that some of these people might be cancer patients. So that made me sit back and go, wow, we really have to get them something quickly. Then that night, my daughter, who's an X-ray tech at St. Boniface Hospital, told me that she had been exposed to somebody with COVID as well. This is the first mold that actually worked properly. And what it did is it validated that the whole concept was going to work. I looked at this, and 4 o'clock in the morning, after 3 days, I literally broke down in tears because I knew what this could mean. So it's good. And this helps spur the whole business and what we're doing now. And we've got, as I say, soon to have 12 people working, and we have federal contracts, and we're about to develop some devices that we filed patents globally for. And we think we're going to have a pretty bright future. You can see the printer here, along with the image of what it's supposed to look like when it's finished. We have a team of people that are as committed as I am, and are actually taking this to way further than what we think this could be, what we imagine it could be. And it's not just a business, it's a mission. Thanks.